There's a certain kind of freedom that only comes from the open road. Welcome to Fantasy RV Tours, where every month brings a new adventure. March is a month for deeper discovery, where history comes alive and bucket list journeys take you across the world. As spring begins, it's the perfect time to explore pivotal moments in American history or venture beyond our borders on extraordinary global adventures. On the America's Civil War Tour, walk the battlefields where history was written and gain deeper insight into the events that shaped our nation. With expert guidance and immersive storytelling, these sites become more than landmarks. They become living chapters of America's past. Discover the Lone Star State in true Texas-sized fashion. From Dallas to San Antonio, this journey blends iconic landmarks, presidential history, and unmistakable Texas pride. From sunrise elephant walks to intimate lion encounters and cultural experiences with local communities, South Africa is a true bucket list adventure. Travel through breathtaking landscapes while witnessing the Big Five: lions, elephants, rhinos, leopards, and buffalo in their natural habitat, all with the comfort and confidence of guided RV travel. Australia and New Zealand deliver the ultimate international RV journey. Witness New Zealand's Southern Alps, a Maori cultural show, and even the Lord of the Rings movie site. Then snorkel the Great Barrier Reef, visit the Steve Irwin family's Australia Zoo, and finish with an unforgettable Sydney Harbour cruise. These are journeys designed to inspire, blending culture, history, wildlife, and unforgettable scenery. Join us and experience travel that broadens your perspective and deepens your connection to the world around you. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe for more guided RV adventures.